Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another simple learning Spanish video tutorial or lesson. In today's video, we're going to learn how to pronounce farm animal names in Spanish, or los animales de la granja en español. Farm animals. They're so cute and cuddly. And it's so important that whenever you go to a Spanish-speaking location, that you learn how to pronounce the animals' names. Let's start. So, the first one, el toro. It's the bull. Male version, el toro, bull. So again, remember, el toro, the bull. La vaca, the cow. La gallina, the chicken. El burro, the donkey. Burro, you gotta enunciate those double R's. El gallo, the rooster. Here, I want to provide you with a male and female version of a goat. La chiva is the female version of a goat. El chivo is the male version of a goat. Here, we're going to provide you another one, male version and female version of a horse. So on the left-hand side, if it's a male horse, we're going to call it el caballo. And if it's a female version of a horse, we're going to call it la yegua. Same thing, we're going to pronounce two versions of the pig. But here, we're going to actually add something to it, which is a different word. Puerco, la puerca. Okay, so why did I do this? Well, depending on where you go, there's two ways of saying a pig. And you're actually going to learn this throughout the whole Spanish lessons. There are different ways to say different names to certain things. So, the proper name is el cerdo for the male one, or el puerco. El cerdo, el puerco. Now for the female version of the pig, the proper version is la cerda versus la puerca, the pig. La cerda versus la puerca. Now, for la oveja is the sheep. The sheep are called la oveja. And the final one we're going to learn has also two versions, el pavo or la pava. And that's for turkeys, el pavo, la pava. There's also another one called el guajolote y la guajolota, but that one's a little bit more complicated, and I don't want to teach you that right now. So el pavo, la pava, turkeys. Now, this ends our video. If you had trouble pronouncing or remembering how to write the names of each animal in Spanish, all you gotta do is stop and rewind and replay. Simple as that. I'll see you in the next one, and please, we ask for you to like and subscribe to our videos. Thank you, and have a great day.